Why are there not more people talking about the Netherlands? You know how we use so many things every day? Well, have you ever wondered where they came from? The Netherlands, a small country famous for windmills and canals, is also where some amazing inventions were born. Our journey starts in the 1500s with a simple tool that changed how we see the world, the microscope. This was a time when the world was still largely a mystery, and people were just beginning to explore the intricacies of nature. The microscope allowed humans to peer into the unseen, discovering hidden details of life invisible to the naked eye. The invention of the microscope opened up a new frontier, allowing scientists to explore the minute structures that make up all living things. Two Dutch eyeglass makers, Hans and Zacharias Janssen, made a special tube with lenses. This simple yet ingenious device was the precursor to modern microscopes. This tube, called a microscope, could make things look 3 to 9 times bigger. This magnification was enough to reveal details that had never been seen before. This invention marked the beginning of a new era in science, where observation and experimentation became key components of the scientific method. The microscope revealed a hidden world teeming with life, from tiny bacteria to complex cells. This was a revelation that changed the way we think about life and our place in the universe. The Janssen's invention opened up a whole new world, leading to incredible discoveries in science and medicine. It allowed scientists to study diseases, understand the structure of cells, and develop new treatments. Before the microscope, we could only see what was right in front of us. Our understanding of the natural world was limited to what we could observe with our eyes. The Janssen's invention let us see the tiniest parts of life. This ability to observe the microscopic world has led to countless discoveries and advancements in science. The invention of the microscope is a testament to the power of human curiosity and ingenuity. It reminds us that even the simplest tools can lead to the most profound discoveries. Dutch scientist Antony van Leeuwenhoek made significant advancements in microscopy in the late 1600s. Using lenses he crafted himself, he was able to achieve much higher magnifications than his predecessors. Van Leeuwenhoek's meticulous observations and detailed drawings of microorganisms, such as bacteria and protozoa, provided the first glimpse into the microscopic world and laid the groundwork for modern microbiology. Now, let's talk about electronics. The Netherlands has a rich history of innovation in this field, contributing significantly to the global tech landscape. From pioneering companies to groundbreaking inventions, the Dutch have left an indelible mark on the world of electronics. The Dutch have also done amazing things in this area. Their contributions span across various sectors, including consumer electronics, medical devices, and even telecommunications. Dutch engineers and scientists have consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible, making everyday life more convenient and connected. Have you heard of Philips? This iconic Dutch company has been at the forefront of technological innovation for over a century. Founded in 1891, Philips started with light bulbs and has since expanded into a global leader in healthcare, lighting, and consumer electronics. This Dutch company gave us more than just light bulbs. They helped create our digital world. Philips has been instrumental in developing technologies that have shaped modern life, from the first X-ray tubes to advanced medical imaging systems. Philips invented the CD, remember those? The compact disc revolutionized the music industry by providing a more durable and higher quality alternative to vinyl records and cassette tapes. It wasn't just about music. CDs also paved the way for data storage solutions that we still use today. It changed how we listen to music. The CD's small size and superior sound quality made it a favorite among music lovers. It also allowed for the easy distribution of software and other digital content, making it a versatile medium. No more big records or tapes. The transition from bulky vinyl records and fragile cassette tapes to compact discs was a game changer. It made music more portable and accessible, allowing people to enjoy their favorite tunes on the go. The CD, with its small size and awesome sound, started a new era of digital music. This innovation laid the groundwork for future digital formats, including MP3s and streaming services, which have further transformed how we consume music. But Philips didn't stop there. Their relentless pursuit of innovation led to the development of the DVD, which offered even greater storage capacity and better video quality. This advancement made it easier to enjoy movies and music in a digital format. They then invented the DVD, making movies and music even easier to enjoy. And guess what else? The DVD's success paved the way for other digital storage solutions, including Blu-ray discs, which offer even higher definition and storage capacity. Bluetooth, the technology that connects our phones wirelessly, was also developed with help from Dutch researchers. This wireless communication standard has become ubiquitous, enabling everything from hands-free calling to wireless audio streaming. From the music we love to how we connect with friends, Dutch inventions are everywhere in our digital lives. Their contributions have made technology more accessible, efficient, and enjoyable, impacting countless aspects of our daily routines. The Dutch contributions to electronics are vast and varied. From the early days of radio and television to the latest advancements in digital technology, Dutch innovators have consistently been at the forefront, driving progress and shaping the future of electronics. Dutch inventions aren't just in labs and tech stuff. They're in our everyday lives too. Think about the umbrella. The Dutch made it even better. They live in a place with strong winds, so they made the umbrella super strong to handle any weather. But that's not all. Have you seen speed cameras? The Dutch made those too to keep roads safe and prevent accidents. From the umbrella that keeps us dry to the speed camera that keeps us safe, Dutch inventions are everywhere. These innovations show how Dutch ingenuity makes our daily lives more convenient and secure, proving that even the simplest ideas can have a big impact. The Dutch are also creative in culture and history. In the 1600s, a Dutch inventor named Cornelis Drebbel did something amazing. He built the first working submarine. Can you imagine going underwater back then? Drebbel's submarine opened up a whole new world under the sea. And remember the Olympics? In 1928, Amsterdam hosted the Summer Olympics, and guess what they introduced? The Olympic flame. From under the sea to the biggest sports event, the Dutch have made history. The Dutch Golden Age also brought us incredible art, with masters like Rembrandt and Vermeer shaping the world of painting. The Netherlands, a country surrounded by water, shows how strong and smart people can be. For ages, the Dutch have been fighting against the sea, taking land back and using water to their advantage. Their famous windmills aren't just pretty, they're powerful pumps. These tall structures with spinning blades help dry up land and make space for people to live. This amazing skill in water management makes the Netherlands the best in the world. Other countries ask for their help with floods and protecting their coasts. From windmills to man-made islands, Dutch engineering is incredible. The Delta Works, a series of construction projects, protect the country from the sea. The Afsluitdijk, a major dam, showcases their ingenuity. Dutch engineers continue to innovate, ensuring safety and sustainability. The Dutch are also great at growing food. Their inventions in farming are surprising and important. Think about carrots. We all know and love the orange ones, right? Well, it was the Dutch who made them orange. This wasn't just for looks, it was a tribute to the Dutch royal family. But there's more. Have you seen those huge greenhouses? The Dutch use them to grow food all year round, no matter the weather. Their advancements in agricultural technology and food production are truly remarkable. From precision farming to the use of drones, the Netherlands is at the forefront of modern agriculture. The Dutch also make a difference in healthcare. Their contributions have been monumental and have shaped the way modern medicine is practiced around the world. From pioneering medical devices to innovative treatments, the Netherlands has a rich history of medical advancements. One hero is Dr. Willem Kolff. Born in 1911, Dr. Kolff is often referred to as the father of artificial organs. His relentless pursuit of medical innovation has left an indelible mark on the field of medicine. He invented something amazing, the artificial kidney. This groundbreaking invention was the first of its kind and revolutionized the treatment of kidney failure. Before this, there were very few options for patients suffering from this condition. During World War II, he saw people dying from kidney failure and wanted to help. The war presented numerous challenges, but it also fueled his determination to find a solution. Despite the scarcity of resources, Dr. Kolff's ingenuity led to the creation of the first dialysis machine. His hard work led to the dialysis machine, which cleans the blood for people whose kidneys don't work. This machine has since evolved and improved, but the core principle remains the same. Today, millions of people around the world rely on dialysis to live healthier lives. This invention has saved so many lives. Patients who once had no hope now have a chance at a better quality of life. The impact of Dr. Kolff's work cannot be overstated. But Dr. Kolff didn't stop there. His passion for helping others drove him to continue innovating. He believed that medical technology could always be improved and that there was always more to be done. He also invented the artificial heart valve, which helps people with heart problems live longer. This device has been a game-changer for patients with heart valve diseases, providing them with a new lease on life. From the artificial kidney to the heart valve, Dr. Kolff's inventions show how much one person can do to help others. His legacy is a testament to the power of innovation and the impact it can have on countless lives. The Dutch are still making big contributions to healthcare today. With state-of-the-art facilities and a commitment to research and development, the Netherlands continues to be at the forefront of medical advancements. Their dedication to improving healthcare ensures a brighter future for patients worldwide. Over the years, the Dutch have achieved numerous medical milestones. From the development of the first artificial kidney to advancements in heart valve technology, their contributions have revolutionized patient care and treatment options. The Netherlands remains a beacon of medical innovation, continually pushing the boundaries of what is possible in healthcare. The Netherlands might be small, but they've done so much for the world. From microscopes to CDs, the Dutch show us that amazing things can come from anywhere. Despite its small size, the Netherlands has had a significant global impact through its innovations and creativity. So next time you use an umbrella or listen to your favorite music, remember the Netherlands and their incredible inventions. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe, share, and like.